Hey guys, while we're in training here, I have a new contest. It's just like this, except that you have to do the upside down thing. I'll show you. Suckers, you do it normally, but then you have to keep it going. Like, if it falls, just restart. Be careful that it doesn't fall, or else you have to restart. Unless you're at the 6-6 or 1-10-1, then you have to go turn it upside down so you can get it. And do it like you normally do with the 1-10-1. That's how you do it. And the deadline is, let's see, the deadline is February 24th.